Bon dia, País de Gales. Brennhauta Barri. What do we all want? Annibyniaeth. When do we want it? Now, of course now, because we can now. So I'm such a pleasure to be here today with all of you, walking this march to independence, walking this march to give democracy a chance to survive the imperialism, the failing of the states of England, Spain and France. Give democracy a chance. Say yes to independence. Say yes to democracy. I am really thankful to Yes Cambry. Yes, Cambry, who invited me to be here speaking from this meaningful stage in Barri, but also they have given me the opportunity to listen to all of you. You who are creating this powerful movement, getting ready to lead the new wave of freedoms of the people. Yes, you are. And you should be as aware as all of us we are that you are. So, and also, thank you all under one banner Kimbrough, soon to be, all under one banner People's Freedom Europe. All the peoples of Europe united for self-determination. All of the peoples united for justice and freedom. All the peoples united for independence. And all of us, all the peoples of Europe united for peace and democracy. Because my Welsh friends, we, the ones that we are on the side of democracy, we are majority. We Catalans, the millions of Catalans, millions of Welsh, millions of Scottish, millions of Basques, Galicians, Flemish, Beneti, South Tyrolers, Sardinians, Sicilians, we are millions and millions plus. All of those Europeans from Germany, from Finland, from Holland, whatever you have, they exist. All those Democrats, they also back us up. So we are majority. Let's go for it. And never be afraid to mention all of us, because they will come to you as they did to us to tell you, Welsh, you are better off walking alone. You're gonna get quicker. Just leave them aside. Lie. They are lying. Alone, we have not achieved nothing. Alone, we are suffering all the repression, all the repression in our language, in our cultures, in our ambitions. So we say no to walk alone. Yes. And let's say what? Yes to ourselves. Yes to yourself. Yes to all of us together. Because this is how we're going to achieve it. All of us together, we are a big power. Don't let them think we are isolated causes. That's not true. And the sooner we realize that, the sooner we work and we plan the future to reach and to restore our freedoms back, the sooner we're gonna stop this unfair and just exploitation of our labor, of our talent. We're gonna stop the plundering of our country's resources, this beautiful, beautiful country of Wales, guys. It's amazing how rich, how capable, how talented, with all this hard-working, creative Welsh, you can do it. Of course, you can run your own land. Who's gonna run it better? Who's gonna know best about your needs than yourself? And a last message, which I found so important, that we guys, grown-up men and women, that we know our stuff, and we know we can make it. We can make it. And basically, all of these young Welsh people, congratulations, young Welsh people. Look, it's fantastic what you're doing. We are listening to you, young people from Wales. You are standing up, saying enough, and you're damn right, because you know what? We have to make sure that all your efforts, getting ready, getting educated, so you have the natural privilege to run your country. They are the ones that are making the effort, studying, getting ready, working. They are the ones that they need to run this land. Not other young people in another neighboring country that are getting prepared to run your country. That's their privilege. That's not how it should be. Our young people should have to aspire to the privilege of run our land, our country. Come on. So, he roisi Gembri, he roisi Catalunya, he roisi ni e pobl, as we, the people who are going to make Wales, Catalonia, and all our historical nations free again. Independence, Annibyniaeth.
Wow. Diolch, Anna. Brilliant.